Hi Poornima,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, Poornima. So this is Aruna from Quality Department, Poornima. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So before starting with, first of all, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
So can you introduce about yourself, your earlier studies, your hometown, and presently what you're doing?
I'm Poornima from Shimoga. I completed my engineering in JNNCE, Shimoga. I took your interior designing courses in CMTI ma'am, for 2 months.
Okay. So how did you get to know about CMTI and IDMTI?
Through my friend, Shagwari.
Okay. So what and all you learned here?
Mama, I learned here about interior designing materials and site visit. We have gone to site visit.
So, what about your software training and all, Purnima? How was that?
Mama, it was AutoCAD and SketchUp they have taught us. We have done all those assignments and work in that.
So, what about your trainers and all? How was they?
They were all good, ma'am. Staff were
So, how
uh,
was
they
Natarajan
will
sir?
interact with all of our students and they will clear up doubts and all of those things.
Okay. So, how was Natarajan sir training?
It was good, good, ma'am. Uh, he taught about all those constructions and all those things, site visit and
Okay, fine. Yeah. Coming to your app, CMTI, how was that?
it was a wonderful experience, ma'am. I have learned also so many things here.
Okay, fine. So, how was Ashok sir? So, how was his career guidance and all? Can you tell me about that?
Ashok sir guided us through all the interview part and career part, disciplinary and all those things, ma'am.
Okay. So, how to manage the time and all he has been taught you?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So, coming to your confidence level, Purnima, before joining CMT and after joining CMT, any changes in that?
Yeah, ma'am. I can identify myself and I'm confident in talking with socializing with others. Like,
Yeah, what about CMTI staffs and all? How was they?
uh, good, ma'am. All are good and they are responsive and all this.
Okay, fine. So, finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
CMTA is it's a wonderful institute and we can learn many things here. We can learn patience, time discipline, and all those things, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your feedback. All the best for your future. And once again, congratulations for your placements. Thank you,
Thank,
Purnima.
thank you.